Welcome to my 100 text effects series. Episode 3. Let's create an ink bleed text effect in Photoshop. Here I already have a paper texture for the background. And for the text layouts, you can try the typeface like Times or Snell to imitate the handwriting and have some vantage look. Next, you should hold the Option or Alt key together with the Shift key. Then click all these text layers one by one in the Layers panel. This is how you create a selection for all the texts once together. After that, you can create a solid color overlay. Here, you should choose a dark brown, which is based on the background paper texture. Now let's make the ink bleed. Go to the Layers panel. You have to select the layer mask first. Then, go to the top menu, find Filter, Pixelate, then Crystallize. In this Crystallize panel, there is only one slider for cell size. Let's try to set the cell size into 3 for the first round. It should give a basic ink texture for your texts and layouts. The key to this effect is to use multiple layers of ink bleed to simulate the real ink effect. Let's repeat the steps. Select the layer mask, top menu, filter, pixelate, and crystallize. This time, try 10 for cell size and click OK. The problem is the second cell size, 10 crystallize filter covers the first cell size, 3 crystallize filter. To add the second filter and show the first filter at the same time, you need to go to the top menu, find Edit, then Fade Crystallize. This allows you to put an opacity and blend mode for the second crystallize filter. This makes a second layer of ink bleed. To get closer to the realistic look, you should repeat the process 1 or 2 more rounds. One more crystallize filter. This time, set the cell size to 20. And a lower opacity for fade crystallize. In the end, you can try a different blend mode for the layer, based on your background color. Now, you should be able to get this ink bleed text effect. Only memorizing these steps and settings never make a master. They are all flexible, so be creative with it. Allow me to design a poster based on this ink bleed effect. Some easy layouts and texts should work. Repeat the fade crystallize. It can be an easy design. If you like, I have the source PSD file for you in the description. Let me know if you need any more details about this. Just leave a comment, I'll be glad to help. This is one of my 100 text effects series. 99 more videos and free PSD files are coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, I'll keep creating.